Hello, today I will talk about SEO and what is the difference SEM and SEO and SEO tips and tricks and their techniques, also Google Search Console. Uh, SEM is search engine marketing and it's paid. You can get paid customers to your websites or to your phone numbers with pay, but SEO is free and you can get organic traffic from search consoles to your websites, to your sales or servicing. The SEO is very important for the company because they are provide services or selling something, and they always working for the SEO to show their websites to top of the Google search. And I want to show you a quick example about SEM and SEO. Right here I'm writing software automation maybe, and you can see there is a ads 1, ads 2, ads 3, and end of the page there is no ads, but sometimes it shows end of the page too. Okay, maybe we can write the hotel. Yeah, if I go end of the page I can see ads again. The other website is about SEO, and I will show you how to ordering and what is the important things for the show our websites to top of the Google search. But before this process I want to talk about Google Search Console. It's very important because, and I think you will learn easily with Google Search Console. If you learn Google Search Console you will get this content. The Google Search Console is creating bots, and if you index your websites to Search Console, Google sending these bots to your website, and they are scraping your websites, all of the HTML, and they taking the keywords and text like H1, H2, H3, meta, title, and this text, and this bots looks to your websites. Is that responsive, mobile, desktop, and they looking website speed. It's because your website should be user friendly, because the users should stay in your website. And if a user duration is very low to your websites, and Google say Google point to your websites like this website is not good and I don't want to show these websites to top of the results, and it's very important things. Backlinks, the last things we will talk about backlinks and user traffic and duration. Let's start with Google Search Console, and if I go right here I have a Google Search Console account, but I can show you like this too. If you go first time to Google Search Console, you will log in with your Gmail account, then it wants to a domain or a subfolder from your website, and it's give a tag to you, and you must add this tag to your headers in your website, and then Search Console says to you, okay, it's completely okay, and then you will able to index your web pages to me, and I will show the bots to your websites. And there is a websites is already tagged with Google Search Console, and I will show you how to add a website to web page to Search Console. Let's start. The URL is my website, and right here I have a tag from Search Console in the head right here, and now I am able to index my website to Search Console. It's just an example, it's not very important, but it's better if you understand it. Now right here I copied example URL in my website and going back to Search Console and pasting it to here and pressing enter, and right here as you can see URL is in the Google. But if I want to add it, I'm clicking right here at this, there is writing at this web page to Google, and it gives to me some time, and after this process it will say okay, I will send my bots to your website and they will scrape your websites, and I will look your keywords, and if they interest with some keywords, and I will search these keywords to Google search. How it can do it, I will show you. For an example, right here I'm going to this web page and I will copy the URL. I have a little application right here, and it wants to website from me, and it gives them count of the keywords. You will see I'm going to this folder now and opening it. I'm clicking keywords, and as you can see, the 36 times web in my web keyword in my website, and tasarım 35 times, and IRL is the 15 times. So if I write IRL web tasarım to Google, I will show my website. Let's check it. I'm going to Google again and writing here IRL web tasarım, and you can see the web page is right here. Now we can talk about domains and subfolders. Okay, now continue with domains and subfolders. I'm going back to this website, and as you can see, I'm going right there, and as you can see, there is a one domain, www.agencyirl.com, and there is a subfolders like website, there is writing website, templates, and startup. Okay, and the domains is the high tier for the SEO, because if you choose your domain with interested keywords, the Google will show your websites to top of the search results, but this is not enough, but it's very important. Let's show some examples for about that. And I'm going back to right here. If I say hotel to searches, as you can see, hotels.com is coming first, and then something like en uygun, but subfolder has hotel. And let's change it. Let's write here test automation. As you can see, we test is interested keywords, and we test domain has test keywords in the domain. And I'm going down of the page, but they are about SEM. There is a function nice, and I'm going forward. As you can see, there is a test automation includes this domain, and it's the high tier for the search console, and test automation is very generally keywords, and you have too many rival in the SEO, and if you want to show your top of the searches with test automation keywords, you will get very good SEO to your website. Let's check this SEO. As you can see, there is a landing page for the test automation, and let's check how many times test automation keywords in this website. I'm going back to my application and starting my application, and gives to websites, and going this folder. Let's check it. As you can see, there is only 2 times test, and the automation is only 1 times. And I'm going back to headers, titles, and meta, but there is not too many accounts in right here. Why? Because maybe they have a good backlinks, maybe they have a good user traffic and duration. Let's check it again. Right here, as you can see, there is more testing keywords right there, but it's not, my application doesn't get them. Let's check it like this. If I say test right here, as you can see in the meta text and other things in usernames and something like that, has too many test keywords in the website. And if I say automation, if you can see 52 times I'm getting it. Yeah, and it has too many test automation keywords in their website. And let's check the other elements. The other element is okay, we will check always keywords, and the other element is text and code standards. All right, this is very important too. Let's go back to website, and I want to show you something. Right here I'm looking for the H1. Okay, each website should has only one H1 for the best practice, but as you can see, there is a 3 times they used H1. How they can use it? Let's check it. Okay, this is the first one, and this is the second one. If I check that right here, yes, they have 2 H1, but this is not a good practice. For it, maybe they haven't rivals, or maybe they have actually very good domain name and other elements, and they have good search results for the Google. If we check other things, test automation. Okay, I want to check it, and if I inspect that and search about H1, as you can see, there is only H1 in the website, and it says automate testing. And if you realize it, the function size is higher than the... Oh, I can see it again. Yes, no, it's right here. But I remember it like functionize the first time I searched it, functionized was the higher than the this website. Maybe we click it and Google already indexed us, and now it shows it shows this website higher than the functionized website. All right, but I want to continue with functionized because it doesn't matter. Now I want to run my script again, and I will check to results. All right, as you can see, there is 110 times testing in the website, and automation is 29 times. And if I click the headers, there is only one H1 about automated testing, and H2 is many times, and H3 are many times, and H6. So as I said, H1 should only one times in your website, because the H1 is the strongest headers, and they are about all of the content. And for an example, if I writing a blog and it's about software, and for an example backend software, the H1 headers should about backend software, not other things, or not a long sentence. It should about all of the content. The other headers can about other content. For an example, API services, H2, API services, one more H2, and Java programming, one more H2, about other thing, like this. And these are the standards, and they should be in the standards, because Google checking it, Google is checking it, and it says, okay, these are in the standards, and it's have a good content, it's user friendly, and I can show these websites the top of the results. And this about the text. Let's go to other thing. Before the check responsiveness and speed, they are really very easy content, because they are about UI. I want to show you one more thing. I want to show you keywords strongs. So I'm going back to keywords, and as you remember, we searched about test automation, right? And now I want to search it with other keywords. These are in the website, and I will try to find this website again with different keywords in the Google search. Let's choose some keywords in right here, and as you can see, testing is 110 times, and maybe we can create a sentence from here, and we can try to search it from Google. Maybe we can choose headers from right here. Let's try it. What kinds of tests are best done manually? Let's search it in Google. Maybe we can get this website again if they have a good SEO, and if they have actually good content about keywords. But maybe we can get, maybe we are not able to find this website from top of the results, because it's only H3. But let's choose H2, and I'm actually believe we can find these websites to Google Search Console again. Types of automation testing. Okay, automation testing, we are not choosing it. Test and automated, I don't want to see. As you can see, all of the H2 has automation test, and the best choice is automate testing about the order. Yes, and so H2 are very good too. Let's try to choose keywords. I don't want to choose headers, but let's check it. If I choose it, I'm going back to right here and just searching. As you can see, I can see it again, the top of the search. I'm going back, and I want to, what kinds of tests should be automated, and I'm searching it again. I'm seeing it's right here. Let's try to find it, and it's what kind of tests are best done manually. As you can see, again, functionizes top of the service. I'm going back and I will try to create a sentence. Let's say testing your test. Okay, testing your test, because they have actually good keywords, and too many these keywords too many times in the website, and they have a good SEO. And maybe if we write there testing your test and we can find the functionize again. Let's write and testing your test. Yeah, right here. As you can see, it is not about testing your test, but we find functionize again. Why? Because they have actually good SEO working in their websites, and these keywords too many times in their websites. And this is actually interest. I know. Let's go to other things. Okay, let's talk about responsive and speed. And I'm going back to websites. And what is the responsive? Responsive is the how this website shows in the mobile or tablet. And if they have a good design in the mobile, and if they have a good design in desktop, also in the tablet, and Google says okay, it's responsive and is user friendly, and it's okay. It's only about that. And the other thing is speed, and you can check the speed from div tools with using Lighthouse. Let's check it. I'm going back to like this. Okay, I want to check this in mobile also. I don't want to see best practice, accessibility, performance, and SEO. I want to see. Okay, I'm waiting right here. Alright, it's done, and as you can see, it gets complete points from SEO, and but it gets lower performance point from speeds, and speed is important, as I said, but the other thing is perfect, and I think Google is not staying on the performance. The best practice for the performance is higher than 80. Let's go to Wikipedia. I think Wikipedia will be speedier than other websites. Let's check it. All right. Oh, it gets bad performance again. Let's check our website. I read. All right, I'm waiting. It gets 61, and the performance sometimes going to higher than 80, and this is the best practice for the speed. Let's go to other elements. One more other element is the backlinks, and backlink is important too. It's hard to show that, but I know the way to show you. If I right here, I know a hosting seller like GoDaddy. Right here, you can see the GoDaddy, and sometimes the websites is sharing their coupon codes for the backlinks. For an example, if I go to Google again, and if I say GoDaddy coupon code, as you can see, there is another website has a GoDaddy backlink with a coupon. I'm trying to find GoDaddy coupon. Yes, it's right here. If I say click it, it navigates me to this website, and also you can see right here the backlink to going to GoDaddy. Is it? Yes, it goes to GoDaddy. If Google find it, Google say it's a backlink, and it's very important because it's show the popularity to your websites, and Google's show this website to top of the results again. The user traffic and duration about the other all of things, because a user comes to your websites and they is interesting with something, they interesting with some keywords, something like I want to buy a car. If your website is not about a car, but the users comes to with a way to your website, and they see this website is not about buying car, and they will exit to your website, and it is not user friendly, and then the searches not shows your website again about these keywords. So user traffic, how many users in your website, and how much time staying in your website, this content is very important too. Okay, and we talk too many things about SEO, and these things are very important to show your websites to top of to Google. And let's check your websites, and I want to say something, some bonus about SEO. There is some applications about checking your SEO and checking your website traffic. For an example, I'm not sure, am I have? Not, but in this profile, I think I have. If I go to Wikipedia, right here, yes, this application. And this application is similar web, and this is a paid product, but it gives free search chance to you, and if I click it, I can see the bounce rate. The bounce rate is the user existing, how many users exist to your websites, and monthly visit is very higher in the Wikipedia. You can see the how many traffics right here, and this is the average visit duration, and this duration is very important too. And also there is other SEO applications to analyze your SEO and analyze your backlinks and speeds, something like that. You can search them in the Google, like SEO analyzer. If you search something like that, RankMath is very popular application for the SEO, and Doppler and SEMrush. These two application is important too, as I know. And you can find applications like this, but these are not free, as I know. But if you doing it for your business, you can buy them. Okay, now thank you for watching.